Last week's windstorm blew over one of the Westside Little League's dugouts, scattering wood and metal parts throughout the field. High school house construction students took the time to gather the parts, rebuild, and reinforce the dugout for the community. 70-mile-an-hour winds last week left the dugout completely destroyed. 35 construction students from Great Falls High and CMR took a break from their high school house project and got to work on the rebuild for the Baseball Association.
Working for the community, so they don't have to do this themselves, get the dugout back up, stuff like that. It's just awesome. Honestly, I like swinging a hammer, whacking nails. That's pretty fun. Honestly, just working with my hands, being on the job, everything like that, learning new things, always learning.
While reusing most of the original parts of the dugout, they focused on reinforcing the structure to withstand strong winds in the future, taking time to re-level the foundation, implement a closer nail pattern, and add hurricane ties to the beams.
Teach them some carpentry and teach them how to rebuild and how to really beef things up in the high wind areas here in north central Montana, and also give back to your community.
After about 8 days of work, the project is expected to be completed by Wednesday, with the final touches being to add the metal sheeting back onto the exterior of the dugout, to be ready to withstand years to come. In Great Falls, I'm Anissa Coomer, MTN News.